安4点
Good evening.
晚安下午3点以后5点
Good night.
晚安睡前或晚上再见时用6点
How are you?
你好吗7点
Fine, thank you. And how are you?
我很好你呢8点
How do you do?
你好吗用于第一次见面回答一红9点
Nice to see you.
很高兴与你见面10点
I must be going now.
我必须走了11点
Have a nice day.
祝你有愉快的一天2点
I hope you had a good time tonight.
祝你有个愉快的晚上3点
Goodbye. See you.
再见4点
Pardon.
请再说一遍5点
Sorry. I don't understand.
对不起我不懂你的意思6点
Please speak slowly.
请再说慢一点7点
Do you speak English?
你说英文吗8点
Thank you very much.
非常谢谢你9点
You are so kind.
你真好20点
You are welcome.
不用客气21点
Sorry. I am sorry.
道歉22点
Excuse me.
抱歉打扰一下23点
That's all right.
没关系24点
Never mind.
别放在心上25点
I agree.
我同意26点
That's right.
对27点
It sounds nice.
听起来不错28点
That's too bad.
太可惜了29点
I hope so.
希望如此30点
That's fine.
很好31点
Can you do me a favor?
能帮我个忙吗